What is up, y'all? Back with another fun one called a Blackberry Basil Smash. You start off with 6 blackberries into your cup, 2 basil leaves, juice of a half lime, squeeze it in there, put a ½ ounce of agave syrup. Next, you want to grab your muddler and muddle all that stuff up. Get those juices going. We like that. We like to muddle. Next, you want to put 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau in there, or any orange liqueur, 2 ounces of gin. Next up, you fill your cup with ice. Like always, cover that shit up and shake it, baby, shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it. Next, you want to strain the contents out into a lowball glass filled with ice. Next, for your garnish, you get 3 blackberries and a basil leaf. Cheers, and I hope you guys enjoyed this cocktail as much as Allison did. Please let me know in the comments what cocktails you'd like me to make in future videos. Have a good day.